After you have all of these centers and edges done, we are going to be moving on to the next step, which is the 3x3 stage, where you solve a 4x4 just like a 3x3 with corners, edges, and centers and stuff like that. So treat these two edge pieces like this one edge piece, and treat this corner piece like this corner piece, and treat these centers like these centers. The first thing you want to do, like a 3x3, is get the white edge pieces to the white center and make a cross. So over here we have white and blue. We can move this and put that in its spot. And now where's white and green? There's white and green, so we can move this. We can put this white and blue out of the way to move this white and green in its spot. Bring the white and blue back. Here is white and orange, so we can put this like this. And now white and red is over here, so we can bring white, green, and white, blue down. And move white and red into its spot and bring these edges back up. And now if we have a case where it's like this, we're going to flip it upside down, move this to the right, bring it down, move it in spot, and bring this back up. Now we have the white cross. And now we're going to get all the corners done just like this one. So here is white, blue, and red. It's going to go next to the white, blue, and red centers. And we're going to be doing R, U, R prime, U prime, until it goes in its spot correctly. Here's white, orange, and blue. Let's put it next to white, orange, and blue centers and do R, U, R prime, U prime until it goes in. Here's another corner piece. Put it with its centers and do the same moves until it goes in its spot correctly. Now we have all of the corners done. Now we have to get the edges in. Here's the white, orange, blue corner, and here's the orange, blue edge. Let's move this edge to the left. Let's bring this corner up. Bring this edge back over here to the center and bring this corner down. Now we're gonna move these three pieces out of the way. Move this up, bring these three pieces back, and put it all down together. Now it seems like the rest of our pieces, like these two, are inside. They're where they need to be, but in the wrong spot. So let's just find one that's not, like this one. Orange and green goes with the orange and green corner. So make sure this is on the left. Bring this corner up, move this back, and bring this down. And when you have it, when it's like this, you want to take these three pieces, move it out of the way. Take this corner, move it out of the way. Put this edge over here where this edge is, flip it. Bring this corner back. Move it all counterclockwise. Put this corner with the pieces. Move it all clockwise and bring it down. Now here's the white, red, and green corners. And here's its edge. So now put it in the correct spot. Bring this up. Move this to the right and bring this back down. Now move this counterclockwise. Move this front area like that. Bring this back and put it down together. Now here's the final corner and there's the final edge already in its correct spot. Let's move it up. Bring this edge to the front. Bring this back down. Move this out of the way. Bring this up. Put this edge back. And boom. Now we have the first three layers done. And now we are going to be making the yellow cross, which if we have a case like this, we are going to be doing, we're going to be making sure it is like this. So from going down to right, we're gonna take these 3 layers and turn them like that. Do R, U, R prime, U prime, and bring the 3 layers back. And now we have a white cross. Sometimes you'll get a case where one of the edges are flipped, and how to fix that is you have to do a really long algorithm. And now it is fixed, and we have a yellow cross. And now we are going to be solving the yellow side, and you're going to get a bunch of cases. And like for this case, what you're gonna have to do is you have a yellow cross. You have these 2 corners. You have the left a corner here and a corner there. And do if you get this case where you have this shape and corner here and a corner there, then do this. And now you get this shape with 2 corners over here. Now just make sure you have, so it's gonna make you have this. So make sure this giant chunk is on the bottom left. We're gonna get this again, but make sure the giant chunk is on the bottom left. And now the yellow side is solved. Now we are going to solve all of the corners, and the first thing you're going to want to do is to find 2 corners of the same color here, so blue and blue, and take them to its color. So now it's matched up. And put this side on the back. Now rotate so the yellow is facing you, and do these moves. And now if we just do a turn, all the corners are solved. Now sometimes you'll get a case where none of the corners match up, like orange and orange. It'll be orange, blue, red, green, blue, orange, and stuff like that. Then you're gonna have to do that algorithm twice. Anyways, now we are going to finish the cube. So if you have a solved side, put that solved side on the back and do these moves. And now the 4x4 is solved. Sometimes you'll get a case where none of the sides are solved and it'll just look like a Z-perm, where these 2 need to flip and these 2 need to flip. So if that's the case, then just do a Z-perm. And now the cube is solved. And you'll also get a case where there are 2 solved sides on opposite sides, or they'll be next to each other. And if that's the case, where you have, then just do this algorithm. But if you have it where they're on the opposite sides, make sure that the non-solved side is facing you, either this or this, and do these moves. And now the 4x4 is solved. And thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. The 5x5 tutorial will be happening at 300 subscribers, so help us get there. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.